Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I want to show you how you can end subscription in Netflix. So in order to end subscription, to cancel membership, first you'll have to go right here to your profile picture and scroll into account. Click on your account, and now the second option in this menu says membership. So click on that. Now all the way down here you will have cancel membership button, this red one. Click on that as well. Now it will give you some options right here. So we have basically these 4 options. First one is to finish cancellation. So if you want to really cancel your subscription, click on this one. If you want to pause for 1 month, then click on this one. Basically this, instead of canceling, take a break for 1 month, or you can still browse and unpause anytime. Or it will give you option to change to basic. So let's say you are on standard plan, which is HD, which is full HD, then you can go to HD by this one. So it will lower the price of Netflix for you. Or you can compare all plans. And the fourth option is, if you want to stick around and you change your mind, click on return to watching. I will click on return to watching since I don't want to cancel my subscription. So thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.